A Conference Championship Series 1 NFL All Day Pack. Must be something good. It's wiggling around really good. Let's see what we get. First up. Coming, Joe Burrow. All right. Nice start. Rare. There we go. 649. Matthew Stafford. Oh, this was a rough game as a 49er fan. Cooper Kupp could not be stopped. Alright. It's nice to get a good pack finally. 44-44. Debo. Yeah, I'll take it. I've already bought one of these in the marketplace. He's a wide receiver, a running back. He should have played quarterback. All right. Nice pack. I like it.